Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, we'll see how to spin up a Kubernetes cluster on Multipass tool using kubeadm with the help of Codex agent. So Codex agent is an AI-powered coding agent designed to accelerate software development by generating, debugging, and explaining the code through natural language prompts. So in my IDE in the VS Code, I've installed the extension of Codex. Okay, if you go to the extension, then you can search for Codex. So I've installed this. Okay, so when I install that extension of Codex, you can see at the top right corner, we can see the symbol of Codex here. Click on that, and in this chat, just give the prompt like create a 3-node cluster on Multipass tool using kubeadm, and it will generate the script for us. Okay, so if you see the folder structure here, it has generated a bash script to create the Kubernetes cluster, and as well as it has created the README file for us. Okay, so it is a very powerful agent of OpenAI, which is just launched recently. Okay, so this script, what it does, it will just create a 3-node cluster. With one will be a master node or the control plane, and two will be worker nodes. Okay. So we are making use of this README file. So these commands will be very handy to run the command this in the terminal. So I can make use of these commands here directly from the README. And the prerequisites will be you should have Multipass tool installed on your system, kubectl, and the bash. Okay. So let us spin up this cluster with the help of this command. Okay. So I can make use of this command in the terminal, and I'm making some changes in this arguments. Like I will make use of Kubernetes version, like 1.34.5. Okay, and this will be number of CPUs for each node. Okay, then we have the memory of 4 gig for each node, and the storage will be 50 gig for each node. Okay, so if you see the UI of Multipass tool, currently I don't have any instances, that is 0 instances. Okay, so when I run this script, okay, it will spin up those VMs in the Multipass tool. Okay, so it will take a couple of minutes to launch the VMs and do the Kubernetes configuration on each machine. Okay, so we'll wait for it to launch the VMs and see whether it will create the cluster or no. Okay, this Codex is very powerful agent, so I request everyone to make use of it in your IDE, so you can able to debug the code very easily, and also can able to create the projects with the help of this Codex agent. So with the help of this script, we are able to create the Kubernetes cluster in no time. Okay, so we are able to very easily able to create the cluster, and so we are able to destroy it very easily. Like for POC purpose, we can make use of this script and test your applications on Kubernetes cluster. Yeah, you can see now Multipass tool. So you can see all the 3 VMs are running up and running now, and it has started the Kubernetes configuration on each node. So it is almost done. Now it's now the worker nodes are joining to the cluster. You can see in the terminal that worker 1 is joining to the cluster. Worker 2, yeah. So the installation is done. So again, we can make use of this command, multipass exec command, to check that status of each node. You can see the Kubernetes cluster has created, this script has created 3 node cluster, 1 control plane and 2 worker nodes. Okay, so all the 3 nodes are in ready state, and it has created the Kubernetes cluster with the help of version 1.34.5. Okay, so instead of using the multi-exec command, so if you want to make use of kubectl command, then you have to run this commands, which is there in the readme. For example, have this, make the dot .kube folder on your local, create a directory, and then transfer it, copy from the VM the config file from the control plane to the .kube folder on your local. Then change the permission of it, of the file. Then run this command, kubectl get nodes. Yeah, so you can see we have all the 3 nodes up and running. Right. So with the help of this Codex agent, AI agent, so we are able to spin up the Kubernetes cluster in no time. So it has given us a script to launch the cluster, as well as it has given us the README file to document the steps what to create the clusters. Okay. So this is all about Codex. So Codex is very powerful tool, or we can see it is an AI agent. So please try to make use of it in your IDE. And yeah, thanks for watching. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you, everyone.